Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheena Jones. I decided I would make a video to show you guys how you can make $400 or more a week 100% free with a site called IncentAPrize, you guys. Now, IncentAPrize, you guys, is the same as Level Awards. The only difference with IncentAPrize, you guys, is that you don't make $5 each level. That's the only difference. With IncentAPrize, you have to do a couple of offers to qualify. But for those that are not familiar with Level Awards or any other freebie sites, what IncentAPrize, you guys, is IncentAPrize is partnered with several Fortune 500 companies. These are the Fortune 500 companies that they're partnered with. Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, let's see, Drop, eVoice, okay, FanDuel, let's see, Green Dot, Hula, I Can Read, LifeLock, Norton. So you guys, these are all Fortune 500 companies that IncentAPrize are partnered with. These companies pay IncentAPrize for us simply trying out products and services, and in return for us simply trying out different products and services, IncentAPrize will pay us a portion for every person that we refer that also tries out products and services. So with this site, you guys, this is the senior site on IncentAPrize. This site here, you guys, pays out $20 for everyone that you refer that simply tries out different products and services with IncentAPrize. So it is basically a refer a friend program. So for any person that you refer that simply tries out some products and services, you're going to make $20 for you guys when they get their one credit. But before we get started, you guys know I love to show payment proof. So I'm going to show you guys some payment proof. Like I said, this is a $20 site. Okay, LFK Products, LSC has sent you 20. Congratulations from IncentAPrize. Here's your payment. Order number on senior. This is senior. Okay. Appreciate your business. Look forward. Okay. $20, you guys. My name is Sheena Jones. This is my email. Oops. Sheena Jones. You see my name right there. So you guys, they pay out. They pay out through PayPal. Let me show you guys the payment methods. Let me see, status. Okay, we're going to click on payment options so you know how they pay. They pay through PayPal daily. So you can make daily payments, you guys, with IncentAPrize. Daily $20 payments. PayPal, company check, direct deposit. You must fill out this direct deposit form, you guys, and money order. I have been paid, you guys, by PayPal as well as direct deposit with IncentAPrize. Okay, now you guys, once you click on the link and register, make sure you click on profile. You fill out your profile information, your name, email, PayPal, or however you want to get paid, you guys. Then once you're done with all of that, we're going to click on Advertiser Offers. Now you guys, for this opportunity, for the offers that we're going to be doing, you're going to need, like I said, no money out of pocket. You're going to need a bank card. That is the only thing you're going to need. It does not have to have any money on it, period, you guys. So we just clicked on Advertiser Offers. Now we're going to click on View Our Advertiser Offers. And I'm going to show you guys what offers to do. Recommend, not tell you what to do. I'm going to recommend some offers. You're welcome to do them if you would like, or you can simply pick your own. This offer here is called Drop, you guys. Drop, you can basically earn rewards from your favorite shops that you normally would shop at. This offer here is the offer where you're going to need a card. It says it right here. Download and install Drop app on your smartphone. Register your Drop account and link a valid debit or credit card to your Drop account. That's all you got to simply do. And I'm going to show you guys how you can also make $5, you guys, to use on the Drop app. So I actually already have the Drop app downloaded, you guys. Okay. Let me, do I want to make my, I already have the Drop app downloaded. Okay, hope you guys can see that. Okay, you guys see the Drop app, right? Okay, I'm going to click on Drop. Oops. Sorry about that, you guys. I'm going to click on the Drop app. See my name, Sheena Jones. Okay. Now, we're going to simply, as you guys can see here, I already registered and all that. I'm going to link a card. Once I link a card, I'm going to get $5. So like I said, I'm about to link a card. Once I link a card, I'm going to get $5 for putting in a code and linking a card. So give me a second, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to link my card now. And I'm linking, actually, you guys, I'm linking my Chase. That's what I'm doing. You can link any bank or debit card, like I said, that you choose. But I decided that I'm going to link my Chase. Okay, continue. And they do have you log in, you guys. So if you have a simple bank, Chime, Chase, Navy Federal, so forth, you can link it. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to click submit. So I'm waiting on it to log me in. Okay, you guys. Okay, I got to verify, you guys, that this is me. So they're finna send me a code. Okay, I'm waiting on my code to get sent. Okay. Submit. Okay, guys. Okay, look. Your account has been successfully linked to drop. And this is my Chase, like I told you guys. I linked. Give me a second. Let me click on continue. Okay. It says success. Okay. So I linked, you guys. So I linked my card. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I should have, okay, look it. Now you guys, okay. I got 500 points. 500 points is $5. Now it says get 5, you can get 5 and get 5. Okay, look, you guys. Give 5 and get 5. When a friend links their first card, you'll both get 5 worth of drop points. You can do this for up to 10 friends. That is my referral code, you guys. I'm going to put that in the description as well. For drop, you're going to need my referral code to get your $5, you guys. And you can use your $5 to go ahead and purchase stuff in the app. Look. Walmart. Basically virtual cards, you guys. You can use. See all these stores? They have some more. They got new stuff. Yeah, Chewy. They got so much stuff, you guys, on this app. Okay, apparel. Y'all see there. Old Navy. They have. It don't make any sense how much stuff this app has, you guys. So I'm just ABC Mouse Entertainment. Ooh, can y'all see that? Sorry about that. Entertainment and education. If y'all can see that. Eyewear and accessories. Food, beverage, and groceries. So health and wellness. Home and household essentials. Okay, Walmart. So 20 points per $1. And you can shop how you normally would, you guys. Earn 20 points per $1. So that is drop, you guys. You get $5 for simply putting in my referral code, you guys, as well as for every person you refer. So we did our first offer. And let's get out of this. Once you do your first offer, you guys, it's going to be 0.20. So that's going to credit. And remember I said we need 1 credit, you guys. So we did that one. So that one's done. Excuse my daughter, you guys. She is watching cartoons. She's watching Muffin Babies, I believe. Okay, but we did drop. Okay, and the next one we're going to do is drop. Okay. And then that's 0.20. Next, we're going to do green dot. Some of you may already have a green dot card, so forth. You probably don't use it. I've had several. Sign up for another green dot card. Make sure you put in valid information. When you do, you're going to get 0.12. That's going to credit. Okay. Like I said, and to do these, you guys, let me go back. You simply would click here. And then click on go. You're going to download it. Make sure you put in, I'm going to put my referral code for you guys once you download and all that. You're going to click go. That's how you would do that, you guys. And the same for green dot. You would simply click there for green dot. Click on go. It's going to take you to the page to fill in your info. It's free. Like I said, none of this is going to cost you guys, period. Okay, and then the next things that we're going to do is, you guys, we're going to sign up for some free samples. So these are the samples. We're going to sign up for some Cascade, complete packs. We would click here, click on go. We're going to fill in all our info, confirm our email. Once we do that, it's going to be 0.12. It's going to show up. It's okay. You're going to do the Cascade one, Colgate sample of toothpaste, Dove products, Gain, makeup. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Just sign up for it, you guys. It's really just the wipes. Yeah, the makeup removal wipes and the free makeup sample. You're basically just signing up, you guys, just to get your credits. So once you do these, you guys, all of these here, to get the free samples, once you do them, it is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you do all 6 of them, you guys, just wait on your email from IncentAPrize that's telling you congratulations, you have met the credit requirements. Once you met your credit requirements, it's going to show up. You're going to get an email that says congratulations. It's going to show up green here. You've met your offer requirements. Once you have met your offer requirements, you guys, you're going to click on status. You're going to come down here and you're going to get your referral link. It is 1 account per household. So like if your sister lives in another household, cousin lives in another household, totally different address, whatever, I would go ahead and send them your link. I would go over to their house, and what you did, I would show them how to do, you guys. Because like I said, it's 100% free for every single person that does these steps, you guys. You're going to make $20 for. Pay through PayPal, direct deposit, company check, or money order. Now, you guys, how are you going to make $400 plus a week? Okay, let's get out our calculator. Okay, IncentAPrize, you guys, pays out $20 for every person that you refer that does the same steps that you did, you guys. 100% free. Only thing they're going to need is a card, a bank card. That is it. Doesn't have to have any money on it, so they can do the drop offer. So $20. Let's say you referred 4 people, you guys, today. You guys started today. You referred 4 people. You referred your sister, your brother, and 2 of your friends. So 20 times 4 people is going to be $80. Okay. So let's say you decided to refer 4 people for 5 days, you guys. So, okay, let's do the math on this. 80, we're going to times 80 times 5 days. You're going to make $400, you guys. $400. Just for simply referring only 5 people, only 4 people a day for just 5 days. That's it. $400 you are going to make, you guys, and you can make this every single week for the simple fact this is free. 100% free. Didn't cost you a thing out of pocket, period. And I already showed you guys when I linked my card, we got $5. So like I said, this is legitimate. This is real. IncentAPrize Senior pays out. So if anyone is interested, I'm going to put the steps, you guys. I'm not the steps. I'm going to put the links to get started, as well as my code for drops you can put in to make sure you get your $5 once you link your bank card. If anyone has any questions, feel free to message me on Facebook or text me. This is for the United States only. I want to thank everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, you guys. I'm going to start making more and more videos about free opportunities. But you guys, this is IncentAPrize. Thanks for watching the video, and until next time.